Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Trade with Sumant. So let's start with the market analysis. So yesterday, as we discussed, it's going to be bullish. So it has turned bullish. Market is above all the EMS and very good rally also. So I am expecting this complete week to go really well. And we discussed sectors also, which I am very much bullish on. So one was IT, we were discussed, metal we discussed, and then which one? PSU Bank, I think. PSU Bank didn't move today that much. PSU Bank is still tightening, right? And then auto sector, right? Auto sector has moved very well. Auto sector also given a breakout, right? So yeah, so according to whatever we discussed, like that only, it is going, which is really good. And these were our stocks in our watch list. We have around 20 stocks right now, which is little bit big, but in my portfolio, I have 5 to 6 stocks. That's all. So you can see how well, when the market turned positive, how well our stocks are doing, right? Ashapuram, Mindchem, which went almost 10% actually, and then closed at 8.28. MCX went well, Jain Resources. So, by the way, if the red flag is there, sorry, blue flag is there, means it's a hold signal. So, some stocks are there which is in the green, which is still entry is there, like SMC Global is there, which still looks good. Sandoma still looks good, right? Zuari, I am very, very bullish on this. We have put this in a stock of the list also, right? ESAB also looks really good. It break up or break out of all the things, right? Red means we are not interested currently, is what the verdict. So anyway, I will make one video where I will discuss what is the rationale behind this portfolio, how we are making. See, this is not a long-term portfolio. This is the swing portfolio. Whenever until we will discuss about this system also. So now we are going through the market analysis. First, we will do market analysis and we will see the sectors. And then I will show you the process of me screening the stocks where it will go 8%, 9% like that, right? So we'll go through that process. And that is what it is to learn you guys also. Anyway, I am doing screening every day. So instead of doing myself, if I do it with you, you will also learn something from it, right? So when it comes to Nifty mid small cap, so generally what happening was when the USD INR rupee fell, like market reached an all-time high also, and it fell very, very drastically. And one hammer formed on Tuesday 9. This was the sign that okay, market is going to recover now. But rupee was still falling, so market fell down. But again, one hammer formed. It is not a complete hammer, but one whatever the sell-off happened completely absorbed by the end of the day, right? So then another closing came, and in the previous video also on the Sunday, I told that market is going to be bullish, but it's not going to bullish like all-time high nikal ke it will go up. So it's just in this channel it will go another 2% is what our expectation, 2 to 3%. Next week is going to be bullish and we play with MTF. So 3x, 4x leverage will be there. One week, a good week with 5 to 10% move on a portfolio level, if we capture, we will make 15 to 20%, and that is enough for us, right? So with a good allocation, 5, 6 stocks, which on a week, if it makes 5 to 6%, with the MTF, I will make 20%. 20% return is like some people dream for it in a year, which we are making in a week. And once this channel, you'll see how whether it breaks from this channel or it comes down again. If breaks from this channel, then it will become more bullish and we will be more aggressive. We will play with MTF more, right? If it comes down, we will try to exit the stocks whichever we booked profit, right? So yeah, so and some stocks like TMCV we are holding from here. This was our entry, and this was our entry. So we are in 14% profit in around like 15 to 20 days when market was falling like crazy, right? So yeah, so the goal is to see, and we are playing with MTF also. If loss also happens, it will be 3 times, right? So you will understand my screening process, how we are doing things, and how well our risk reward system is, how good our system is. And you can like this video, subscribe to every day see the screening process, learn from it. And we also have the WhatsApp group called Mr. Market, right? 1 minute, let me just show you Mr. Market. So where we will be discussing the things, whatever the profit we are making. See, this is built on like 3 4 day, 3 4 3 on October. This with MTF we are doing this, and we are doing really well. 20%, 30% we have done. So you can, I will share the WhatsApp link also, and I will share this watch list link also below. You can refer to that and join to our WhatsApp group also if you are interested, right? So yeah, so with this note, let's start with the market analysis, what market is trying to do. So as we discussed, market is bullish. A good rally may come another 3 4. This week will be really good, right? So let me just check what is FII data also. So FIs are selling, but on last 3 days they bought. Today they are again selling. So FIs keep on selling. There is no, so let's let them do whatever they do. We are bullish when it comes to market. So this is Nifty mid small cap, by the way. This is what we are referring because we want stocks which will run crazy. So that is why we will choose mid small cap, not the Nifty. So if I come back and see what Nifty is doing, so Nifty is also again W pattern and breakout. You see NX 500 breakout, right? So all looks good. Small cap is came out of this zone. The support is here. If it breaks down again, small cap will also be 17 in 1% above. There is one support is there. It may see selling there, or it may consolidate here, and let's see how it goes afterwards. So this is the sideways market. I don't think it will break also. If it breaks and sustains above that, that is a good news. We will play on the small cap in a really good way, right? So next, so mid cap also I think looks good. Mid cap 150 also looks really good, right? So yeah, so everything looks good when it comes to market. So now let's see sectors which did really great, right? So first sector which did really great was defense. But the defense is in the downtrend, right? It was below all the EMAs. Now it is trying to come out of it. So there may be stocks which are rallying like crazy here, like 10%, 20%. But the thing is, after rallying, whether since lot of selling pressure is there, it will it may not continue also. So I just want it to be above all the EMAs, like IT is there, right? IT is very, very good. Huge buying coming, 10 EMA bounce back, and again buying coming. This is what I want. Same I want is happening with metal. So good buying, tightening, and breaking out. This is what I want with defense also, which may take another week if market is really crazy, or if market is sideways, I don't think it will sustain also. So we are not into defense yet, right? So next IT is bullish, so I have made it green. Capital market is was blue. Now let's convert it into green. Looks good. Metal is green. Small cap is still red only because it is below all the major 200 EMA and 50 EMA. PSC sector also red only. Tourism also red, but buying is coming, which is good. So manufacturing, okay. Service is green. So broader markets are turning green now. So I will just make all these sectors green. Green, okay, green. Pharma looks good. Infra looks good. It is already green. Healthcare also looks good. Consumption is still below the 50 EMA, so it's still red. So oil and gas green, commodities green, energy is red. Media is the weakest sector is the media. Below all the EMS, bounce back also happens, again comes back. If you, so weakest sector is the media. FMCG is also red, and Bank Nifty is closing is above, so we can say green. finance is still not green, but I will make it blue. Blue means okay, okay, it's private bank is blue. It PSU bank is above all the EMS, so really good rally happened. One great buying may come in this week. Let's see when it will come. So realty is also red, and consumer durables is also red. I think it will go down now. So let's see. So most of the like last week, all the sectors were red. Only IT, metal, two, three sectors were holding up. Now all are turning green, which is a great news, right? So these are the sectors we are bullish on, right? And market also looks bullish. There is no, you know, saying around it. So next, what we will do is we will start, screening the stocks. So, we will go to this one. Generally, this is the long we will keep the stocks which may look bullish for in the future. But final watch list is where we are planning to keep our stocks which will do really well. And yeah, so here some stocks will be there which are interested also. EPAC prefab is something which is very, very close to my heart, very important, I love this stock. So we are exited because we entered here. It gave us exit. So it is recovering. Let's see how it plays out. So these kind of stocks we will keep it. And in long, all the stocks which are not in our portfolio, but we are, keeping a track of it, so that once the entry comes, we can, take advantage of it. Those kind of stocks will be here. So yeah. So let's go to the screener. Screener, let's go. Okay. So this is the IPO stocks screener. So 12 months, whatever the stocks which has been before 12 months, whatever stocks listed are here. So, but I have certain rules. So let me just take that. Minimum upside should be there. Last 30 days should be greater than 20%. I want stocks which are really, really moving in upside 20% in a month, right? And I want some volume also, 3 lakh volume also, because I don't want penny stocks, right? Okay, it is taking time to generate. So by that time it generates the script, we can already have the stocks here. So let's just go through these stocks. Let's just go through these stocks. So what I will do is I will minimize everything. Okay. So generally all the stocks are already in our list. So we got only home refrigerator, not interested for now. See, this stocks looks interesting, but it is too much choppy. One buying is there. Buying is there. 7 days, 15%. I want something more from the IPO. And it is too much choppy. So probability of hitting SL is much. So I'm exiting. Moody's not interested yet. So not interested. So let's come back here. Is it added? No. Let me just refresh this. I will come back here. By the time I am having a issue with this account. It is taking too much time to load. That's the issue. So Tata Capital is something which is in this zone only. It is not moving at all. So I am not interested in this also. Advance, I am not interested also. Midwest, let's copy this. So before that, let's add it again. Trading value should be, yeah, it got added. And trading volume should be also needed. Yeah, these are the two things whenever I am looking for the IPO. Should be above the 21 email also, but let's not keep it for now, right? So anyway, we were here. Let's copy the things from here. Let's add it. So nothing is there here, so that's the issue. Okay, that is fine. So let's copy from here. And okay, we got some stocks here. Let me just add all the stocks first and then we will do the screening. Copy, paste. So yeah, Quadra future is the reversal story. A huge buying has been happened, but see, like it is not the first time, two time. It is in still in its downtrend, so I am not interested. So ARSSBL is something interesting. Okay, so ARSSBL is something interesting. Why I will tell you. There was a huge buying force here, 8 days, 21%, and it tightened at 10 EMA. Again, bounce back happened, but this time it gave a huge amount of return. 15 days, 54%, right? Now what happening is a fall happened. Now it is trying to come out of this channel. Okay, so will I buy tomorrow only? No, I will keep this in my radar. So I will just move it to my long stocks, right? So we will decide that Q power is something which was I traded previously. It was going up continuously. Now it fell very down, and now it is trying to recover, but not interested. This is not our setup. So this is not it. This is not it. Not interested. Not interested. Not interested. Employed. Not interested. 3Gs PG. I was interested here. This was our setup. Now we are not interested. Now occur. Whenever IPO falls, it falls like this. So, yeah. So not interested. Enrin again another example. If a market fails, if I want to short in intraday, I can keep it. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. So related to the IPO basis, let's see anything is here. No, I don't have anything here. Nothing is here also. It is something I'm not interested in. Okay, okay. This is also I'm not high potential swing. Yeah, this is where I want to be. Oh, Walchan Nagar Industries Limited. Nope, not interested. Walchan Nagar. Let's see. Walchan. All it should be stocks which are belong to India. Okay, this see generally when the reversal happens, right? So we want another buying on the first. See, one leg of buying happened here, second leg of. I want another buying to be sure that this is a proper reversal. So I'm not interested in this one also. Okay, let's quickly go to the next. So Dredge Corp is something which I am interested. Let's see how it is. SMC Global is in our list. Okay, already. Sri Piston, which I want to see how it is. Let me just come back now. Let's see how this one will behave also. Okay, what else? Sri Piston, SMC Global, which we had SMC Global, Spark. Let me just see how this one is. SMC Global is all already in our list. Spark, Spark. Vogue Pharma, let me just see how this one is behaving. Okay. So yeah, let's see how. And the problem is there is some problem with this. Okay, SPAC outright I can say this is not the setup I am looking into. I will remove this. Doltago again, it should be about all the EMAs. Buying is there. I want another leg of buying. We have made losses going early, so not interested. Three piston is something interesting. A huge buying happened 4 days, 22%, which is really good. Small pullback, 21 EMA bounce, sorry, 10 EMA bounce back. So let me just keep this one. Three piston. Okay. What else? What else? Dredgecore is interesting, but no, I am not this kind of. Don't trade this setup. So not this one also. Let me just remove this. Okay. So next, come to this. There are 11 pages are there. So what I will do is again let me just keep these rules. So it should be above all this. What I will do is I think this is implemented. I want it here also, right? So let me just add it now only. So I will do this. So already down to 3. And now it should be above all these EMS also, right? Then only our setup comes into picture. I will come here. Okay, so now the things are ready. So what we will do is let's copy all this, okay, and put it here. Okay, copy to the clipboard. Okay, copy to the trading view. I did add it. It got added. Okay, I think it is added. So Sheepaston was already there. Rajesh Export, it's growing crazy, but I want the consolidation. Don't trade here. So it will come back again. Kirloskar was in our list. Yeah, entry was also there. Today. Okay, I don't know why I removed. So, yep, missed one opportunity. Rico Auto is good. Good. Yes, we should have traded this. I'm not interested now. Now there are a bunch of silver related take. This is a circuit stock. Never ever put money in this kind of stuff. Doltago. We discussed this one. Manolu, not interested. Mm, this looks interesting. This is coming out of the consolidation zone. Too much choppiness is there. So, not now. Ashok Leyland is something which is keep on silent mover. Keep on going. Dredge Corp we discussed right away. Right now only neck life, circuit stock, Gemnato, not interested. Big block, not interested. Still have only. I should have got something here. Did I miss something? Prime Focus was already in our list. Dolat. Hindustan Zinc got missed, which is already there in our portfolios. Bliss GVS. Bliss GVS. Zuari Agro is in our list. We can discuss that afterwards. Anupam Rasayan is also in our list. We can discuss it. Okay. So yeah, let's go to the next screener. Gold mine. So Hindustan Construction HCC. Camps, Bharat Rasayan. I think here I am not getting some good stuff. This is for intraday, which gives good intraday stocks. Sport King, Gujarat, James are good stocks. So this is not a screener, good looking screener. So yeah, we have more screeners here. So let's add the same rows here. Let me just copy this, paste, paste. I am just adding the same rules here. I just want the volume to be, and it should have given good upside, right? Here also, here also. And final rule is stock should be above the 2150, all this EMA lines, right? So let me just add this one. It is taking time to get this browser with this account only. It's taking too much time. So let me just copy and paste on the both sides. Paste, paste, and remove this. Copy, paste, paste, and remove this. Copy, paste, paste, and remove this. Copy. Hmm. Remove this. Okay. So let's run the scan. Let me just see how many we have. Two. How much results? 24 stocks are there. Let me just copy. This is not the place. Okay. Let me just add other next arrays. Next also. Okay, let me just go through other screeners and add the stocks from there. So this is one screener. I'm adding all the screeners so that at one go. By the way, if you want all these screeners, you have to join my WhatsApp group and you have to ask me personally. I can't share this. I have put a lot of effort into this. No. So yeah, okay. So Rajesh Export, we discussed. We are not interested. Kesar. So you can play this 10 EMA, sorry, tightening bounce back, and you will make money again on stop here. You will make money. But thing is, it is a secure stock, and you will not get the exit. Same with take. I think this is M&M Finance, right? I will add this one. While copy pasting, M&M Finance is not. Hmm. Yep. So yeah. Lloyd's SME, yeah, metal sector stock, good movement will come whenever, but it's it is just rallied. Let's let it form a base. Then we can see this is gone grow silver. Uh, Manalu we discussed, Ashok Leyland, Dredge Corp. Corp is something huge buying is there. It is bouncing back from here also. Let's keep this one also since we don't have any. Necklife, Walchang, Axita, same story. You can, I will not suggest this kind of stock. By the way, I'm not suggesting any stock. Well, this is just analysis. But yeah, idea again, a very good. We are tracking from here. It is really good stock. Uh, but we are not interested in that. Roto, roto pumps, Shakti pumps alternative. Not interested, not interested. By the way, we discussed with our intel in our WhatsApp group that here, here, silver case. From there, it has gone to 32%, right? So Tata Silver, I will just remove all these silver ETFs. By the way, most of the things is ETF only. We are not getting really good stocks at all. PDSL, if Trump tariff goes, this is a stock to track in. Aeroflex. Not interested. Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. A really good bounce back from here. It didn't give entry only to us. So, yeah. So let's see. Let's see. We have reversals. This screener. Let's see if we find something here. Let me just check. I am able to do things properly. Yep, working fine. Okay, let me just add some three, four copy. Okay, so we got some stocks now. think we have added. Okay. Again, since I moved, Rajesh Export is coming back again. Jane Reco not interested. IFB Argo. It is interesting, but it needs to form a base. Till then, not interested. AIL. Huh. This looks something of a reversal story. Let me just keep this one. Gale, not interested. Lumax Tech are really good, fundamentally great stock, but it doesn't sit in our setup. JK Tire, I will keep this one. Idea we discussed. Dynamatic Tech, again a great stock, but there is no entry for us here. Brilliant Ingrevia, not interested. C8. C8 and JK Tire forming the same base. NBCC, not interested. Kesarmun we already saw. Coromandel, not interested. Asian Tiles, not interested. KEI. NIT IMS is the IT stock, a reversal story. Something to keep track of. There is no entry here. Star, not interested. GM Breweries. This once it setup is done, I will be very much interested in this. RR Cable, Paytm. Muffin is something which is interesting. Keep this one. Let's discuss about Shriram Finance. Right, Namanda, Narayana Hridayalaya, Motherson. I will keep this one also. Let's discuss the universal keepers. Let's keep it. I think my laptop is getting stuck. PM India, Mangalam Seeds. So let me just copy, paste. Okay. Let me just go through. Yeah. Okay. So where were we? We were till TVS check. Not interested. Bharat Forge. Not interested. Give me a minute. SJS is something interesting. Sonocoms, Sagility, not interested. Yes, Lumax Industries. Let's see. PV Specialty Chemical giving the reversal. This is something to keep watch of because whenever it goes down, it will give you a decent 50-60%. So this is something to keep watch of. DOMS is the base stock. Manappuram Finance. Bajaj Auto not interested. HEG not interested. Phoenix. Glenmark from the pharma sector. So I will keep it in the watch. I'll tell you why. Biocon not ready yet. Nava not ready yet. KRBL not ready yet. Eicher Motors not ready yet. Ascotto not ready yet. Asian Paints for future and options traders. This is getting ready. MTR Tech getting ready. G1 Small Finance Bank. I'll keep these stocks with the retail is okay. Can Bank of Baroda not interested. APL Apollo Reliance not interested. CUB. It is for the pharma SRF AB Capital IMFA Stan Petro not interested. Sansera. Okay, looks great. So let's go through. By the way, we have been through six. There are another copy trading view. Now we will get some juicy stocks. So let me just copy all the stocks faster. 10, 11, Okay, let me just go through these stocks, these set of stocks. We already went through this previous special Ujjivan. So we have to go through IndusLand Bank or reversal candidate maybe. So, but not ready yet. So what I will do is I will refresh a little bit so that we can see properly. Right. Ashok Leyland, we discussed about this one. Mass Finance, not looking good. Torrent Farm, I will go faster. Tata Axles, not interested. Tata Consumers, not interested. IDFC First Bank, not interested. L&T, not interested. JB Chemical, not interested. Britannia, for the people who are F1, one good buying is there here also looking good, so but not interested. I'm not I F1 not trader, so MSPL not interested. Usha Martin, not interested. Gokul, Radico. Radico is the fundamentally a great stock. Not interested. UPL, not interested. Barrack, not interested. MedPlus, not interested. Bikaji, not interested. Infosys, what a rally in the stock. IIFL, not interested. BPCL, not. I can't see silver. Completely filled with silver. Tatva, not interested. No in flooring. Persistent system is something which looks good for IT. Not interested. Cummins, not interested. Sascout. Again, a IT stock, not setup is not there. Maruti, not interested. Suprajit, not interested. Tech Mahindra, Exita, I think we discussed. Titan is something. Titan is something if you're tracking. So let me just keep it. Bharti Airtel looks good, but not. Bhel. Okay, let's keep this one. Jamna Auto. Let's keep this one. Wipro. Wow. Grasim. LTF. Too much tightening is happening. I don't know when it will go. Yeah. Engineering not interested. Emphasis. Adani Port not interested. Sun Pharma not interested. GRM over. Let me just keep it. Marico not interested. MQ. Kantabel not interested. Kotak Bank not interested. NMDC. NMDC also not interested. By the way, I haven't found not even a single stock which comes into our system yet. 3M India, okay, looks good, but again not into our system, but it looks good. 11, so we have some more, not much. Okay, oh, okay. I think I may have to go back to this. I mean, let's see. Craftsman, latent view, RPL, Yatra. Yatra is something which looks good. Again, not into our system. It Walchen, Ricardo, Southwest. Canara Bank looks extremely well for the F&O traders, right? Ramco, Tembo, Recall. I think all are reversal stories only for now. Best Agro, NAM India. Okay, this looks kind of cool. Okay, lock KMEW. Okay, so let me just go through. This is for intraday. Anyway, I do intraday also. I will share how what went well, what went wrong also. There will be a separate video on that. You can watch that. So we got DCB Bank, RBL Bank, IOCL. Okay. So here Rico Auto is there, Dredge Corp is there. Dredge Corp can be discussed. Suwari Agrochemicals, which is in our list also. Jamna also is on our list. So yeah. So we have shortlisted some stocks. Let's go through each one of them and let's finalize the list for us, which where we can take some trend. Okay. Shri Piston are not ready now. So what I will do is I will just keep for the watch list. Okay. So next come to Dredge Corp. Dredge Corp is the ready case. If it breaks the yesterday's high, this can be something can be kept in the final watch list. Okay. What is the analysis? Analysis simple. This is not the proper setup which we play, but fine. Okay. For now, AIL, I'm not interested in this one for now. JK Tires, not interested. C8, not C8 looks good, but I'm not interested at this point. NIIT, not interested. Muffin can be tried. Why I'm telling is there is this huge buying 5 days 30%. So it has to go above the previous high, and SL will be even the stop loss can be 4-5%, right? Because Zuari also comes into this zone only, but Zuari is better compared to this. But we don't know which stocks will go, right? 4 days 9% rally is there. So yeah, this can be tried. So Motherson not interested. Universal Cables not interested. SJS. SJS for the fundamental people. This is really good. I will just keep it in my long radar, but I am not playing this. Lumax also same thing. Fundamentally great stock. Auto sector stocks. Previous specialty the same thing. This is sir just for observation. MTR not ready yet. I will just remove it. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. I used to trade this, but it is slow moving, so I am just removing it. So Titan. Let me just see how much buying is there. Very very slow moving stock. So not interested. Bale is something interesting. Why means see this buying is too much. 15 days 23. This is also less only. So I am also not interested. I want buying to be like Mufin, right? Here the buying is 5 days 31%. This much buying should be there, right? Jamna Auto see now whenever buying is happening, 10 days 23%, 8 days 21%, right? So this is the reversal case also. It is reversal case. Yep. So but now buying is there. Nope. So it's not a proper setup as of now. So let's not be here. Glenmark, Glenmark, okay, it's the gap up story. Fall happened, bounce back from 200 EMA. Good buying also coming. Is it ready now? Nope. So let me just remove this. GRM overseas. See, there is a in 50 days 40% buying, 50 MA bounce back. And let's the setup happen properly. 3 mm India. So how much was this buying? 3 days, 25%. Good bounce back, and it is. This is what I want. Okay. Canara Bank. This is for people 88 days. For long-term people, this is good. I will just keep it in the long. Okay. Tembo. Tembo. See, this is the kind of setup we aspire for. So 5 days, 34% buying, pullback, a good bounce back. Now also good bounce back. I'm just waiting for the entry. What is the circuit? 5% circuit. Ah, this is bad. I will remove. Nam India. So this will do well if capital market will do well, but not comes into our setup. How much is the buying here? 9 and 60%. Not comes into our setup. So we have some stocks, right? We shortlisted 3M, Muffin. Okay, final. Let me just go through the final watch list. I will add Muffin here. Dredge Corp. No, this not comes into my setup, so I'm away from this. I'll just keep it in the long. Okay. So we shortlisted two stocks. One is Muffin. This looks good. I will make it green. We can add this one, 3M, but I don't have capital. I will just tell that you can add this, but I will not add this. Okay. So Rubicon, again, IPO base, very good pullback. Now it has to settle somewhere here. Then we can see keeping it for the intraday or some buying happens. Okay, track like TD Power System, same story. Really good bounce back here. Grow also, same story, one bounce back. See, Tangamalai is something really good. So 70% rally. Now it's settled here. If it goes from out of this zone, some 10 EMA tightening happens. We can add more, but not right now. VDL, it should not be here also. P focus is something which is really, really good. It is doing something. What is the buying here? Let's see that. 12 days, 29%, 10 EMA. We should have bought already here. So just keeping for next setup. Piramal, same idea. Vidya Wire. Um, AU Smile minus back. I had here. It did well also, but it is slow moving stock. So Lenskart is something interesting. Let it settle here. PGIL. PGIL. This is also kind of stock I aspire for. The PGIL. 1 minute. So it went well here. 50 EMA bounce back happened. It is taking so 6 days, 56%. Right? So bounce back happened. You can take some Midwest. Okay, Corona. Okay, Wakefit. Okay, Quest. Okay, Pine Labs. Okay, Misho is the gone case. It will not give you entry anytime now. I am just looking for shorting it in the intraday, obviously. So IRSSBL is a reversal story in building. So I will wait for 10 EMA. Kirloskar again keeping it just for Sri Piston, again keeping it for learning purpose. All these stocks we saw. So we shortlisted two stocks. Muffin. Why Muffin? The buying is too much. Really well. Two times bounce back from about 10 EMA. Now it is set on to fire. So this is what I want. 3M India also same story. Really good buying. 3 days 25%. 10 EMA bounce back. 3M is not a kind of stock which does this, or does it do this? Yeah, this is too much choppy kind of a stock. So let me just remove this also. Okay, we ended up with Mufin only one stock. Okay, so yep. So we have other stocks which are in green, means we can add on to it. For example, SMC Global are really good. 50% buying is happening in 13 days. Again, bouncing back from 10 EMA. Looks really good. Okay. And then Sanduma is there. Sanduma is the reversal story. Zuari. Zuari, I made a reel also about it. Video is also there in the YouTube. Stock of the week. 80% rally. Pull back. Good bounce back from 200 EMA. Bounce back. Third bounce back. Yesterday was the good entry. Now also you can enter. ESAB also same story. Really good gap up opening. Very good buying. Now 10 EMA bounce back is happening. So DCB. Anuras is Anuras is the slow mover. Let the chart load. But yep, so slow mover, it always moves like this, and I have seen always the buying comes in a day. So it will move like 1%, and one day it will do like this, and again 1%. It moved like 59 days, 61% previously, expecting some 20-30% in since we are buying with MTF in a month or two, I can make 50% here with MTF. That is the goal. So yeah, so these are the top. If you want this watch list, I will be sharing it in our WhatsApp group. You can join to our WhatsApp group. I will share the description below. So that's all for today. This is how we do the screening. We went through like 300 stocks and we ended up, you know, selecting one. Pin. Let's see how it behaves. For this is the stock for next 5 days, 5 to 6 days. Let's see how it behaves. So yeah, that's all for today. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you.